जब जॉब चाहिए सरकारी तो इंडिया करे अड्डा 24/7 पर तैयारी। अड्डा 24/7, India's #1 government job preparation app.
Good morning everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjyot and we are here again to discuss the MCQ series on principles and practices of banking. So first of all, good morning to all of you. How are you all? Let me know audio and video both are okay. Are we good to go? So good morning to all of you. As we know, in the principles and practices of banking subject, we have a conceptual, we must have a conceptual understanding, because without conceptual understanding, we will not be able to score much, because all the topics or all the modules in the PPB subjects are interlinked with each other apart from D and E module. If I talk about module D and if I talk about module E, these are the two modules which are not linked with another modules, but all the A, B, C modules are linked to each other. So it is very important to have a conceptual understanding so that we will be able to answer the questions of conceptual questions. Okay, so let's start. Let me know if everything is okay. Good morning, Kritik, how are you? So yesterday our session was not happened due to certain technical issue. Okay, so that's why we are having the same class of the yesterday today. Okay, so let's start. Before coming to the questions, certain information I want to tell you that first of all, if you have not downloaded the Adda 24/7 application yet, then do download the application, because here you will find the questions regarding current affairs and basic banking awareness also. Okay, and the second thing, if you have not subscribed the channel Officers Adda 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And also when you are visiting Officers Adda 24/7 channel, you will find all the JAIIB and CAIIB exams preparation strategy videos are there. Apart from strategy videos, we also have the conceptual classes and the MCQ series classes. So everything will be available. So do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will find all the content which is required to prepare for the exam. Good morning to all of you. Now, starting the session, before starting the session, those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session once and also share the session with your colleagues who are preparing for the same exam on different multiple social media platform, Telegram or any other platform you are linked to them. So do share the particular session so that maximum candidates will be joining us. Now, these are the information for all of you. First of all, the English medium target batch already started on 16th of August. The PPB new batch is coming on 5th of September. That will be English medium batch. Okay. And apart from that, the selection batch English medium is also coming on 12th of September. So these are the batches which are upcoming batches which you can use to prepare for the November-December JAIIB exam. And by using the code Y496, you will get here maximum discount. Okay. Next. If we talk about bilingual batches, so these are the bilingual batches. If you are a candidate from the bilingual classes, then you can go with these batches. So CAIIB batch is coming on 12th of September. So those candidates who are preparing for CAIIB or your friends who are preparing for CAIIB, if you know them, then you can tell them that the new batch is coming from 12th of September. And when we talk about JAIIB, the new batch is coming from 5th of September of bilingual. So bilingual and English medium, both batches are coming on 5th of September for your November-December JAIIB exam. Okay, so these are the batches. By using Y496, you will get 78% discount here. Apart from that, test series are also available. All the test series, including all the 3 subjects, and the next is your individual subject test series is also available. Okay, so let's start the topics. Today's topic. The PPB class, which is going to start from 19th of September. It's going to start from evening 8 to 9 p.m. Okay, Manoj? Achha, let me know, you are talking about bilingual batch or English medium batch, Manoj? You are talking about bilingual or English medium batch? So let's just start the session with the first question. Which of the following are the main objectives of monetary policy in India? So when we talk about monetary policy, first of all, monetary policy is formulated by Reserve Bank of India, RBI, the central bank of our country. And question is asking that which of the following is objective of RBI monetary policy, or what is the objective behind making monetary policy by RBI? First is saying maintaining price stability in the economy. Second is saying to maintain financial stability in the economy. Third is saying ensuring adequate flow of credit to the productive sectors of the economy to support the economic growth. So which of the following is correct? Which of the following is the main objective of monetary policy? First will be D. Everyone is going with D. Okay. So if we talk about monetary policy, what is monetary policy? Monetary policy simply is a type of policy which is formulated by Reserve Bank of India to maintain the price stability in the economy and also to ensure that the economic growth of the country is continuous. Okay. So the right answer, very good. Right answer will be D. That is all of the above are correct. Right answer will be D. That is all of the above are correct. So RBI makes monetary policy to control all these things in the economy. Achha, if we talk about the instrument of monetary policy, there are two types of instrument. First is direct instrument and second is indirect instrument. Apart from that, in monetary policy, we have quantitative measures and also the qualitative measures. Quantitative and qualitative measures are there. Okay, so this is the monetary policy. So when we talk about monetary policy, RBI formulate monetary policy to control price stability. There are two instruments, that is direct and indirect instrument of monetary policy, and there are two measures, that is quantitative and qualitative measures. By using these instruments and measures, RBI controls the money supply in the economy so that prices can be controlled, so that inflation can be controlled, so that the economic growth of the country can be done. Okay. Now, next question. So fund-based credit facility include which of the following? First is saying term loan for acquisition of fixed assets. Second is saying bank guarantee. Third is saying cash credit facility. Fourth is saying letter of credit. So which of the following includes the fund-based credit facility? A, B, C or D? A is saying only A and B, B is saying B and C, C is saying A and C, and D is saying all of the above. So which of the following includes the fund-based credit facility? A, B, C or D? Second is C and D. Okay. What about rest? Okay. C and D, two options are coming. So right answer will be, when we are talking about fund-based credit facility, fund-based means in which bank actually have to give fund. So bank guarantee is not a fund-based, it's a non-fund-based. Letter of credit is a non-fund-based. So right answer will be A and C. That is the third option, that is C option. Not D. Bank guarantee and letter of credit are not a part of fund-based credit facility. They are non-fund-based credit facility. What does it mean? It means in bank guarantee and letter of credit, bank do not have to give fund to the customers. Okay. They are only becoming a mediator. They are only giving a certain guarantee for the payment and they are becoming a mediator in the particular transaction. So in first of all, term loan, and second in cash credit, bank actually gives fund to the customer. So that's why our right answer will be C. Okay. Next. Next question is talking about a depository receipt is a type of dash. A depository receipt is a type of dash. Dash what? First saying negotiable financial instrument that is traded on a local stock exchange of a country but represents a security usually in the form of equity that is issued by a foreign publicly listed company. Second is saying negotiable financial instrument that is traded on the stock exchange of a foreign country but represents a security usually in the form of equity that is issued by a foreign publicly listed company. Third is saying negotiable financial instrument that is traded on a local stock exchange of a country but represents a security usually in the form of equity that is issued by a locally public listed company. And the fourth one is saying receipt given by a depository participant of a depository. So which of the following represents the depository receipts? A, B, C or D? Read the statements carefully. Which of the following is a depository receipt? Third is A and C. A and C, two options are coming. Okay, A, C and D. So the right answer is A option. So the depository receipt is a negotiable financial instrument that is traded on a local stock exchange of a country, but it represents a security which is in the form of equity. It means it is the form of share and is issued by a foreign publicly listed company, that will be depository receipt. Like we have American depository receipt, we have global depository receipt, we have Indian depository receipt. So they will be issued in a foreign publicly listed company. They will be issued by a foreign publicly listed company in a local stock exchange. Next, fourth question. So the legal status of a mutual fund is in the form of a dash. So the legal status of a mutual fund is in the form of a dash. First is saying partnership form, second saying proprietorship, third is saying joint stock exchange and joint stock company, and fourth is saying trust. So which of the following is correct for the fourth question? A, B, C or D? Okay, very good. Everyone is going with the D option. That is correct, that the legal status of a mutual fund is in the form of trust. Mutual funds are created in the form of trust. So right answer will be D. Not C. Why you are saying C, Arun? It is not joint stock company, it is a trust. Okay. So the legal status of mutual fund is in the form of trust. So if a bank included in the second schedule of RBI Act, then it will be a which of the following bank? So is it a scheduled bank? Is it a company incorporated outside India under the foreign law? Or is it a company defined under the section of a Company Act? Or fourth is D, none of the above. So which of the following will be correct? That the bank is included in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934. What type of bank is it, or what type of company is it? And also let me know what is the criteria of coming under the second schedule of RBI Act. Which banks can come under the second schedule of RBI Act? What is the criteria? Fifth is A. Everyone is going with the A option. Also let me know what is the criteria to come under the second schedule. Yes, correct answer is A, that is schedule bank. Right answer is a schedule bank. Correct. So what is the criteria is there given by RBI to come under the second schedule of RBI Act 1934? Which banks can come under the second schedule of RBI Act 1934? Let me know what is the criteria. Accepting deposit and lending. So all the banks are accepting deposit and lending. So all banks are scheduled banks in India or not? We have discussed in the paid class also that there is a local area banks who are non-scheduled bank. These are non-scheduled bank. Okay, local area bank. So this is not the criteria that bank can accept deposit or provide loans, because local area bank can accept deposit and they can provide loan, but they are not a part of the second schedule. Nationalized bank, no. CRAR minimum 12%, that is criteria for public sector bank. See, there is two conditions. First condition is that the paid up capital of a bank should be minimum 5 lakh. If the paid up capital of a bank is minimum 5 lakh, then first criteria will be fulfilled. And the second criteria, that the bank should maintain the reserve ratio. Bank should maintain the reserve ratio. Okay, so these are the two conditions. First condition is what? First condition is that bank should have a minimum paid up capital of 5 lakh, and second, bank should maintain the reserve ratio, that is CR and SLR. If these two conditions are fulfilled by the banks, then that bank comes under the second schedule, and all the banks will be known as second schedule bank. But the local area banks do not fulfill these two criteria, that's why they are not the part of the second schedule. or the conditions you all are telling, that is the condition to come under the PCA. If you are not maintaining CRAR, if you are not having a limited NPA, if you are not having a return on asset a certain standard, then RBI can implement the PCA on that particular bank. Okay, apart from that, maintaining CRR, this is not the condition of scheduled bank. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. Which of the following is our tool for promotion mix? Which of the following are the tool for promotion mix? Is it a direct marketing? Is it a public relation? Is it an advertising, or is it a sales promotion? So which of the following is a tool of promotion mix? So this is a part of marketing mix. Promotion mix is a part of marketing mix, that is also known as 4 P's of marketing. So it is also known as marketing mix. It's a part of marketing mix. And this is also known as 4 P's of marketing. So which of the following is a tool of promotion mix? So we have place mix, we have price mix, we have promotion mix. Okay, we have product mix. So these are the 4 P's. Sixth is D. Everyone is going with D option, that is all. Okay, very good. All are the part. All are the part of promotion mix. Okay, doing direct marketing, it means you are sending your sales staff now to do the door-to-door marketing. Then public relation, that advertising, that sales promotion, all are the part of your promotion mix. Correct. Now, SWIFT means, what is the full form of SWIFT? SWIFT. What is SWIFT means? I have told you many times that abbreviations gonna be there. One or two questions will come from the abbreviation. So it is important for you that you will cover all the banking and financial awareness abbreviations and the government schemes abbreviations, so that at the end of the exam you just have to revise those, because there is unlimited abbreviations available which you have to cover. So it is better that you will cover from now onwards. Okay. So let me know which of the following is the correct full form of SWIFT. A, B, C or D. First is saying Society of Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Second is saying System for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Third is saying Society of Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Fourth is saying Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. So which of the following according to it is correct? Seventh is B and D and C. 3 options are coming. So SWIFT is an international organization. What actually the SWIFT is doing? So SWIFT is provide a certain reliable and transparent and trustworthy platform to the financial institutions to perform their financial transactions. Okay, so by using the SWIFT code, by using the SWIFT platform, all the banks, all the financial institutions are having a secure, reliable platform in which they can transfer their financial messages with each other. That is SWIFT. Okay, and SWIFT provide a certain code also, which is of 8 to 11 digit code. It can be of 8 digit, it can be of 11 digit. If I talk about why it will be 8 digit, when we do not have to give the branch code, then we have a 8 digit SWIFT code. If we have to give the branch code also, then we have to give the SWIFT code of 11 digit, because the last 3 digits of the SWIFT code represents the branch code, and that branch code will be optional. Okay, and the right answer will be D, that is Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. It located at La Hulpe. Now this is a city in the Belgium, so you can say La Hulpe is the headquarter of SWIFT, or the Brussels is the headquarter of SWIFT, because it is the nearest city. Okay, so this is SWIFT, which helps the financial institutions to transfer their financial messages on a secure and reliable platform by giving them the SWIFT code, that is 8 to 11 digit code. Okay, next. Legal risk is a part of which of the following? Market risk, credit risk, systemic risk or operational risk. So legal risk is a part of which of the following? Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Okay, everyone is going with D, that is operational risk. No, some are saying B also. That is credit risk. We are talking about legal risk, है ना? So if we talk about market risk, it says the investment in loss. It is actually the investment in loss. So whatever investment bank has done in the market, if that investment went to the loss, that is your market risk. What is credit risk? It is also known as default risk. It is also default risk when customer not repaying the loan. When customer not repaying the loan, customer is not repaying the principal or interest amount or not repaying the loan, that will be known as your credit risk or your default risk. Now, systemic risk is simply the type of risk when the strategy created by the bank is not matching the requirement of the bank. That is systemic risk. Yeah, it means the wrong strategy has been developed. Now, operational risk is the risk which is related to the staff. Okay, or we can say with the particular cyber security or cyber loss, cyber security, that will be operational risk. So right answer will be D. It is related to legal, that the staff is not following the rules and regulation, that the cyber crime happen, or we can say the IT softwares which was created to secure the data of the banks has been hacked by the particular hacker. So that will be your legal risk. That will be the part of the legal risk. So right answer will be D. Okay, right answer will be D. No, systemic risk can't be your legal risk, because in systemic risk, the strategy created by bank is wrong. The implementation of a strategy done by the bank is wrong. Okay. So, let's end the session here. Before ending the session, let me know out of 8, how many answers you have given correct. Out of 8, how many answers you have given correct. Now, one information for all of you, as I have told you that the 2 bilingual batches are coming in September and the 2 English medium batches are coming on September. Date I have told you earlier already in this particular session. So, those candidates who have joined late and want to know that what is the dates of the particular batch which is going to start in the September. So, you can go with the starting of the session. You can start the session and just you will find the dates of the batch. Okay. And as we know, after qualifying the November-December JAIIB exam, you are going to give the next year's CAIIB exam. Okay, so I would suggest you all that the best option for all of you will be if you are enrolling now. If you have not enrolled yet and you are enrolling now, then you can go with the JAIIB and CAIIB ka Mahapack. It will have a 12 months validity. It will cover your November-December JAIIB exam and also the May-June CAIIB exam. So you will be able to prepare both the exams in a certain particular product. And here you will get everything. Here you will get everything. You will get here e-books. E-books will be available. Apart from that, your test series will be available. Test series will be available. Apart from test series, all the live classes will be available. Okay. Apart from that, all the video courses will be available. And for both English medium and bilingual, all these things, all these products will be available in the JAIIB and CAIIB ka Mahapack. That will be a single center for you to prepare for the exam. Okay, 7, 8, 5, 6, that's a very good score, all of you. So we have to stay at the 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have to stay at the 6, 7, 8. That is the right score. That is the correct score. After a certain period of time, when you have completed the 50% of your syllabus, then we have to stay at the 8 out of 8 marks. Okay, that should be our strategy. So let's end the session here. If all of you or someone of you is new to the channel, then do subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Like the session immediately. Those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session, and after that you can end the session, and also share the session on your multiple Telegram channels or the social media platform where other persons are linked to you who are preparing for the same exam. And also, if you have any query regarding the session, or you can tell how you like the session or what you think will be better in the session, then you can write us in the comment section. We'll check your comment and answer you there. Okay, so let's end the session here. Thank you all for joining the session and stay safe.